Do you have to list your doctor, your dentist, and local creditors on your bankruptcy? Or do you have the right to leave some debts off and other debts on? The answer to that question is you must list all debts on your bankruptcy. You cannot exclude any creditor because you're signing paperwork that says, under penalties of perjury, I have listed all of my debts. So you have to list them all. But it's very common. People say, I want to continue to see my dentist and my local doctor, and I don't want that to be upset. How do you solve that problem? Well, first, the best answer is to simply call your physician or dentist and say, look, unfortunately, I have to file bankruptcy to take care of some other debts, but I still want to pay my debt with your office, and I still want to be a patient here. Is that a problem? Most of our cases, we find that if the dentist or the doctor is notified, as long as they know you're going to continue to pay the account, they typically don't have a big problem with that. Secondly, another answer is if the amount you owe is relatively small, less than $600, and if you have the ability to pay it, simply pay off that debt prior to bankruptcy. Then we don't have to list them as a creditor. However, if the debt you owe is more than $600, if you pay one creditor more than $600 within 90 days of bankruptcy, that's considered a preference. And the court can actually take that money back from the doctor and divide it to all your creditors. So don't pay large debts of more than $600. Now, we get these questions all the time. In most cases, there's a way to work it out by communicating with the doctor, by continuing to pay the debt, and by sometimes reaffirming that debt, which is a special agreement filed with the bankruptcy court that says, I want to keep this particular creditor and honor that debt and continue to pay it because it's an important debt to me. And that's another option you have. If you have questions about medical debts and bankruptcy, please call me at the number below. We answer these questions every day, and we offer a free consultation in your situation.